Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in with your details when given your website personal professional email account. So most of the time if you're using Hostinger, they always tell you to download Titans for email. You can also do it by also going to the website titanemail.com login, then you see it there. So you have to download this app known as Titans for email. Then when you do that, you have to click on open. After you click open it, details will always be sent to you to log in. So mine was sent to me, so guys, it's getting, all of us know the advantages of having a professional email for your business. It's really advantageous. First of all, it adds up the prestige of your business. So, and you cannot get a professional account such as this from a website when you don't either have access to your website, or when you don't or you don't have a professional website. So this comes along with professional website built by WepTech Hub. So if you don't have a professional website yet and you need one, we are available for it. So you have the your login information will always be sent to you. So when it's being sent to you, you will have the info, maybe info at this.com, you might be hello at this.com, it might be CEO, it might be your name. So this is how you have to log in there. First step is to download. Once you download, you have to log in. Once you log in, the second step is to fill your credentials, like the password and the professional account. When you fill it, the next thing for you to do, they'll ask the recovery password. So you can either put yours, or you can ask the person who created it to give you his own. Most of the time it's always a backup Gmail account of the company building your or website. Thank you very much for going through this tutorial. If you don't understand anything, please kindly comment below and I'll be available to help you out.